Do you struggle with finding chords when you are writing a song? Do you struggle with knowing which chords you want to use? I've had several people ask me this question. How do you figure out the chords? I'm going to talk about two things that you really need to know first, and then the third thing that's just going to hopefully get you there. So first thing you need to know is, what is your tonic? What is your one? I'm not going to say what key are you in, because you may not be strictly in major or minor, but you do need to know what your tonic is. Are you in a C scale, a B flat scale, an F scale, a G scale? If you cannot figure this out on your own, most likely the end of your song is going to indicate more than the beginning of your song what your one is. A lot of songs end on the one, but they don't all. Is it the song, if you don't have an inherent feeling of what feels like home, what note feels like resolution, get somebody to help you. If it comes to it, post a video, tag me, ask me, say, what's my one? Sing me your melody. I'll tell you if I can hear it, if I can figure it out. So that's the first thing. Second thing is, once you know what your tonic is, then there are certain chords that inherently belong with that tonic. And I've posted several graphics to give you a guide for chords. So if you're in C, you can stick with either strictly C major or C minor chords. You can go between, you can do borrowed chords. But at least you know, okay, if this is my tonic, then these are my chords. And make yourself a cheat sheet. Write it out or look it up online. And then that is your starting point. Then what you want to do is you want to find if you can figure out your bass line. So if you can't fully play a chord, sing your melody and just fumble around with a bass line. See if you can figure that out. If you've got your melody note and you know at least one other note that you want to go with it, say you got, that's your melody, and you know you want that with it. That doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be C major. Look at all the different chords that can go with C and G. Okay, so C and G, A, F, A flat, B flat, E, D. I mean, there's so many possibilities. So you want to know your tonic. You want to know the chords that go with that tonic. Plunk out a bass line if you can, and then trial and error. And the more you do it, the better you'll get.